Wind is the movement of air from one place to another, and usually this is driven by differences in pressure or temperature. Air wants to move from areas of high pressure or temperature to areas of low pressure or temperature, a bit like a ball wanting to roll down a hill to the lowest point. But other things can generate or enhance winds as well. Things like sea breezes or wind being squeezed over the mountains and speeding up. Thunderstorms can also enhance winds. Rain brings strong winds from high up in the atmosphere down to the surface in a big burst. This is what we call a gust front.